In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the setup process for Microsoft Teams and how to navigate it for the purpose of video conferencing and instant messaging with your teachers. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up a new browser and type in office.com. That will then take you to the Office 365 environment. It may actually ask you to log in first, and if it does, just use your normal login details, so your Synertialist email address and password. From here, you want to locate the Teams icon, and if it's not present there, just go and click on the All Apps icon, and it will create a drop-down menu where you should see Teams listed there with some other applications that you can install as well. So click on Teams. Once it loads up, it's going to load a web-based version of Microsoft Teams, and we're actually going to go ahead and download the app for the computer. And the way you do that is by clicking down below on the left-hand side, which is Download Desktop App. Once downloaded, it's going to install and create a desktop icon for you called Microsoft Teams. It'll load automatically as well, and you can just select Microsoft Teams. And this is going to be the way that you access Teams from this point forward. So the web-based app we access once, just for the purpose of downloading the Teams icon, okay, or Teams application, I should say, and then we can navigate to all of the Teams we have available to us. So the way this software works is if I jump into one of my classes, so 11 Business, for instance, your teacher will actually I'll go back a step, your teacher will actually give you a code to join their Microsoft team. And the way that you will join the class is by clicking the team icon. Up on the top right hand corner, you've got a button called Join or Create Team. Now, very similar to Google Classroom, you'll just type the code in that's been provided to you by your teacher, and you'll click Join Team. What it'll then do is, by clicking the Teams icon, it should show the class or team that you've been added to. Okay, so opening that up now, so for instance, if you were in my Year 11 business class, you would click on the team icon, and you'll then be presented with a menu of allowing you to conference with the rest of your class. So down here is an instant messaging service that's available to talk with your teachers and your peers. Now, be mindful about this. Every single conversation and video conference, or any form of communication for that matter, is recorded. Okay, so be mindful of that when engaging with your classmates. Your teacher will set a time to meet via email, so they'll send an email out to say that we're meeting at a particular time. You'll jump into Teams, and what you'll find is that they will then initiate a meeting. So they will click Meet Now. Okay, they will select Meet Now again, and what that'll do is prompt you guys in this window that there is a meeting taking place, and your option will be to join that meeting. So in that thread, it'll just have a little button there that you click to say Join Meeting. What that'll do is you'll be able to see your teacher presenting. They'll be able to present their screen, and you'll also be able to interact via video and voice. Okay, so you can communicate just like a video conference setting. They can also share material with you, okay, through this attachment process below. All right, so you'll have an opportunity to get familiar with this as the time presents itself. However, the purpose of this video is just to give you a quick overview and also the process of installation. So again, jump into Office 365 or office.com, download the application, okay? In the Teams menu, you'll be given a code. You'll type the code into the Join section, and you will be added to that particular team, okay? And then from there, you're able to engage in that conferencing process. If you have any questions about the process, please feel free to send me an email, okay? And I will endeavor to answer those questions for you as soon as possible. Thank you.